Grilling adventure, a taste of nature by the river. Feel the crisp mountain breeze and hear the gentle roar of the river. A couple sets the stage for an unforgettable experience, grilling salmon in the open wilderness. This isn't just cooking, it's a communion with nature where every breath and flavor feels alive. The grill crackles. Fresh salmon sizzles as smoky flavors kiss the wild air. Against the backdrop of rushing waters, this outdoor feast is a culinary adventure. Above, birds glide across the sky, a perfect harmony of nature's soundtrack and the sights of untamed beauty. Between bites and laughs, soak in the awe-inspiring vistas, towering trees, endless skies, and the dancing sunlight kiss the river. Time slows here. Life feels raw and real. Every moment is a reminder to indulge in life's simplest joys. Why settle for ordinary when adventure awaits? Embrace the wild, bring your grill, and make memories in nature's embrace. Watch, share, and join the movement. We're calling all thrill seekers to turn ordinary meals into extraordinary experiences. Ready to fire up your next adventure? Let's cook up something wild.